Alright, this is section 10.7b. We're talking about spheres. And we are going to find the volume of spheres this time. Now remember, a circle is a sphere, or a three-dimensional circle is a sphere. So like a baseball, tennis ball, basketball, and so on. Now, a sphere is a set of all points in space equidistant from a given point called the center. And our formula for volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Now, I think the hardest thing for you guys is going to be remembering that it's cubed. And the way you can remember that is we're talking about volume, so you're going to cube it. So our first example, it says find the volume of the sphere, leave your answer in terms of pi. So I have volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed, and my radius is 6. So I have 4/3 pi times 6 cubed. And 6 cubed is 216. I'm going to take 4/3 times 216, and I get 288 pi, and then we have meters cubed as our label. Alright, one more example. It says find the volume of the sphere, leave your answer in terms of pi. Now we were given our diameter, so we need just the radius, and the distance from the center to the outside, if the whole distance is 8, is going to be 4. So I'm going to have volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So I have 4/3 pi times my radius, which is 4 cubed. 4 cubed is equal to 64. So then I have 4/3 times 64, which is 85.3 repeating, and then we have pi tacked on to the end, inches cubed. Alright, now the last example, I want you to try this on your own. It gives you the volume, so you're going to have to use the volume and solve for the radius. And then once you solve for the radius, then you can find surface area of a sphere. Hopefully you remember the surface area formula. If you don't, look back at 10.7a to figure it out. Have a good night.